Happy birthday, Lolo Gary! May God guide you and bless you with many more years to live with your whole family.
We pray for your good health, safety, and happiness always.
We love you!
Cheers!
Bye. Happy birthday, Lolo Gary! I miss you, I love you!
See you soon!
See you soon! Bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Gary!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Lolo Gary!
Lolo Gary, happy 60th birthday! We love you always. We wish you popo. We love good health and bless you all. God bless. Love you.
Hey Gary, more birthdays to come. See you on Saturday.
Hi Kuya Gary, from our family here in Canada, wishing you more birthdays, good health, and blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Kuya Gary. Happy 60th birthday. Thank you for everything, Kuya Gary. I want you to know that you are always in my prayer so that God may give you more blessings and the best in life. We love you. I miss you, Kuya Gary. Happy 60th birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tito Gary. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan at salamat po sa lahat po ng nagawa niyo po sa amin. Salamat po.
Para sa gwapo at napakabait kong brother-in-law, ang George Clooney na nagkarlan at ang Ricky Dabao ng Cabuyao, Laguna. Yan ha. So, happy 40th birthday. Aba, 40th ba? 60th birthday. Para kasing 40 lang eh. Sobra makisig pa eh. So, happy birthday, Kuya Gary. Hangad ko ang maganda mong kalusugan palagi. At salamat sa mga support at talagang sa pag-aalaga sa aking kapatid, kay nanay, sa iyong pamilya, sa mga anak ko rin. And salamat. So, balita ko, meron diyang kainan so namiss namin yung kainan dyan ni Troy. Anyway, just enjoy the day. And alam ko, masaya-masaya yung buong mga kamag-anak dyan, mga pamangkin, mga pinsan, kapatid. So, basta enjoy lang kayo dyan. Happy birthday, Kuya Gary, and God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Gary! Have a wonderful day! God bless!
Bye! Bye!
Hi Gary, happy 60th birthday from your family here in Norwalk. We love and miss you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Gary! We love you! More blessings! Hope to see you soon! Good health! Good health!
Good day, everyone. Hi. We just wanna wish Gary a happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nene. Happy birthday,
We
Kuya
wish
Gary.
and pray that you have many more to come. Okay? Okay, bye! Bye!
Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Gary. We're wishing you all the best. We hope to see you soon. We miss you. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Regards to all.
Hi, Kuya Gary. Nung nag-message si Gina kay Alan na humihingi ng video, nag-isip kaming mag-asawa. Literally pala, talagang we grew up together. Dahil simula grade 1 hanggang high school, magkaklase tayo. Si Alan naman, simula elementary, talagang sa inyo na nakatambay. Si Eric, ikaw, at saka si Prof. Tinanong ko nga si Alan kung ano ang fondest moment niya na naalaala. Ang naalala lang daw niya ay yung kapag gabi na, doon sa kalye ninyo, hinuhubol yung apat ang inyong mga shorts. Tapos, ibinabato ninyo, saka kayo takbuhan ulit pa unahan kung sino ang suot ng short na mauuna. Tayo naman dalawa, nung grade 6, tayong dalawa yung sa play na Dawil. Ikaw ang bida, ako yata yung dwarf doon. Tapos high school naman, parang confidante mo ako. We can talk, kahit anong topic, pwede natin pag-usapan dalawa. And na-realize nga namin mag-asawa, ganun na pala tayo ka-lalim ang ating pagkakaibigan. Hindi na lang tayo magkakaibigan, family na tayo. Ngayong birthday mo, Kuya Gary, we wish you good health, less stress. Mag-enjoy lang tayo sa buhay. Enjoy your life with your family, and relax lang tayo. Happy birthday, Kuya Gary.
Happy birthday. Peace.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Gary.
Happy birthday, dear Gary. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th, Kuya Gary. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Lolo Wally. Happy birthday Lolo Dawi.